Hey everyone, it's Carl at the AIM Expo. We are stopping by the booth with our friends at Twisted Throttle. We've got some really cool new lighting products to show from the full on Denali line. We've got Ron with us here, who's an expert on the subject, and he's going to highlight 3 really awesome new lighting products that they've got. Ron, what do you got for us today?
Thanks, Carl. So what I'd like to show is the new D7 lights from Denali. These are the brightest lights that you can get in less than a 4.5-inch case. They have 7 LEDs, extremely powerful lights. You can hook them up with a CAN bus controller for selected motorcycles, or you can hook them up to any motorcycle by buying the kit. These retail for $5.99. You can get more information at DenaliElectronics.com or go to TwistedThrottle.com. The other thing that's new is the S4 light. The S4 is a little bit less expensive. They're $265 for the kit. These lights are extremely powerful for their size. They look great on sport bikes. You can see they look good on the fender mount on an ADV bike. They look really great mounted up high on sporty bikes, smaller bikes. Again, a ton of light, big bang for the buck on these S4s. The other thing that's new, it's not even available for sale yet, but it's called a T3. These are going to revolutionize the market on blinkers, daytime running lights. They come in 2 flavors. They're 3 LED strips. They come in 2 flavors. White and amber to be used in the front as daytime running lights. Then they turn to amber when you use your turn signal. You can also mount them in the rear, so they would be red and amber. They would be red running light, then super bright LED brake light, also red, and then amber for the turn signals. So the T3 should be available for sale in January. Stop by TwistedThrottle.com or DenaliElectronics.com to learn more about these awesome lights. Thanks, Carl.
All right, thanks very much, Ron. That was really awesome, and hope you have a good show.
Thanks.